Okay, so welcome to Polarizing Tripods. Yes, I do have a name for the series now. And I've asked my good friend Marcus here to come along because, well, let's face it, he has a camera that shoots video. However, it is a Nikon, so...
It's a good one.
Yeah, D5000. Anyway, so a couple of weeks back I posted my third video on light, on photographic light. Now it might have been confusing, I apologize for that. However, today we are going to be talking about the three main components in photography, really. So this episode will mainly be on a basic overview. Well, I'll do another overview later on. And we'll be shooting 3 individual videos for each component. Alright, so the 3 components are... The first one is your aperture. Now what aperture is, it's the size of the iris, the hole inside the lens, in here. And basically what that does is, the bigger the hole, the more light goes through. The smaller the hole, the less light goes through. The second component is shutter speed. Now shutter speed is basically how long you let the light enter the lens. There's a train. It's very loud. Alright, so shutter speed, like I was saying, before I was rudely interrupted by that train. Shutter speed is basically how long you let the light enter through the lens. So if you set a high shutter speed, so a fast, a short amount of time, you'll end up with less light, but a much more stabilized shot. To help you understand this, on the opposite side, if you let a long amount of time, so a long shutter speed, slow shutter speed, you'll let a lot more light go through the lens, and so it's much more subject to, for example, motion blur, which is when you hold your camera and it's not fully stabilized, and so you kind of have like this unpleasant blur. And that's pretty much it. Now the third component is sensitivity. Now if you open up the lens, if you open up your camera, if you have a
DSLR?
yeah, if you have a DSLR, assuming you have a DSLR, you open up the lens, you'll see a mirror, but then open up that mirror, and I'm exposing it to dust a bit. But
Beware,
yeah,
do not try this at home.
if you open it up, you'll see a sensor in there, and I'm waiting for it to close. There you go. So there, you saw a sensor, and that's basically what takes the picture. And I'm really not comfortable right now. And the sensitivity really is, it's what it says. It's measured in ISO setting, and the higher your ISO setting, the more sensitive the sensor is. So the better it reacts with the light. Meaning, well, basically, if you don't give that much light to it, it'll still be bright. However, on the other side, you get a lower ISO. It'll be less sensitive, and you'll need more light to get the same shot. Now, there is a bus driver making fun of us over there, but I won't. Oh, there we go. All right.
The show must go on.
The show must go on, indeed,
Yeah.
Marcus. So I think that's it.
Yeah,
and
that's pretty much it.
well, watch the 3 next videos, because they will be the most important videos, well, for your knowledge in camera. Yeah,
Something or other.
Yeah, blah. So hit that subscribe button. I can't even remember where they put it now. I think that, yeah, it's right about there.
Yeah.
And give us a thumbs up, because yeah, we deserve that.
Of course we do.
And if you have any question at all, like literally any question at all, I'd be glad to answer them. Leave a question in the comment section below, and remember, Polarizing Tripods is the show to watch.
See you later.